guys, it's Sina. Welcome to my channel. So today we are making some cute clay charms with handmade clay. And you know what? This is the first time I'm using handmade clay. And also the first time I have made this clay on my own. Yep. And it has a very dumb story behind it, let me tell you. So one day I saw a video on something about making your own clay and that looked so good. So the moment I saw it, I'm like, I'm doing it. Then I got so worked up, immediately bought all those necessary ingredients, totally ready, and then guess what? 2 months passed away. I didn't do anything. Wanna know why? Well, I was suddenly so terrified of the idea. What if I couldn't make it right? What if things go wrong? Yeah, maybe that sounds so simple to you, but not for me, bro. It's always happened whenever I try to do something new, something I have never tried before. The nervousness, self-doubt always got me. Then I literally had to fight all those thoughts for days in my mind, then finally come to a conclusion. I know it's very funny, but anyway, it was the story. And this is how they turn out. Look at this. There's some sakura dumpling. If you ask me, I'm not so satisfied with them. I have made some silly mistakes in the process and I think I can do better. But let me know, what do you think? See you soon. Bye.